My morning starts like any other morning after I take the dogs out to potty and watch some news, which I'm sure you hear in the background. Well, what I started doing was repotting some plants, some items that I had rooted, and caused my windowsills a mess. Yes, but that'll be taken care of. Okay, no problem there. Okay, and I just wanted to show you, this here is my Italian parsley, which is very, very hearty. Okay, and my garlic chives, I have oregano. Is it right? Yeah, oregano. Oregano, what does that say? Rosemary, anything. Yeah. Okay. Uh, okay. What I plan to do next is to root um, my seeds. Okay. So I have three of these. I don't know, one seemed like it went kaput, but I have three of these. So I'm going to be rooting my seeds um, shortly. Okay. So enough for now. Bye.